In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to annotate UI spacing in Figma. By the end, you'll know how to clearly communicate paddings, margins, and relationships in your designs, so your teammates can implement your layouts accurately and quickly. First, open the Figma website and sign in so you can access your files. From your dashboard, open the page or file that contains the design you want to document. Make sure your layout is in a good spot for annotation. Your frames are sized correctly, layers are named sensibly, and the spacing you plan to call out is final. The clearer your base design, the easier it will be to annotate without confusion. When your design is ready, we'll use Figma's actions to quickly get to the plugin we need. Open the Actions interface from the top of Figma or through the command bar. Then navigate to Plugins. In the search field, type Redlines and Annotation. You should see a plugin with that name appear in the results. Click it, then click Run to launch it inside your current file. Once the plugin opens, take a moment to look around and get familiar with its options. The idea is straightforward. You select elements in your design, and the plugin helps you place red lines, labels, and spacing callouts that describe distances and alignment. Start by selecting a component, such as a card, button, or input field. Use the plugin's tools to show the space between items, like the gap between a heading and a paragraph, or the padding inside a card. If you need to show the distance from an element to the edge of its frame, select both and apply the relevant spacing indicator. As you annotate, keep your labels concise and consistent. For example, call out spacing values in the same units throughout the file and use the same label style for similar measurements. Place callouts just outside of the content whenever possible so you don't overlap important UI elements. If the plugin offers style controls, choose a line thickness and color that are readable but not overwhelming, and keep the annotation layer clearly named so others can toggle it on and off. Work methodically. Finish one frame before moving to the next to avoid missing measurements. If you spot any mismatched spacing as you annotate, fix the design first, then update the red lines. When you're done, give the file a final pass to ensure all critical spacings are called out and everything is easy to read. That's it. Using the Redlines and Annotation plugin with Figma's actions makes documenting UI spacing fast, consistent, and developer-friendly.